What's up, good people? This is Anthony DeLoatch, and in this video, I'm going to be reviewing a platform that's promising to pay 3.6 to around 6% per week. It's a minimum of $50 to get started with this. And here's the kicker, guys. It is not deriving its profits from the crypto space. It's actually just using crypto for the funding and payout. And it's in the agricultural space, something a little bit different than what we're used to. And that's why I am interested in this platform. So I want to take you guys on this review journey with me. So if you want to take that ride, stay tuned in the video. Now, before I jump right into it, I do want you to go ahead and like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and hit that notification bell so that you could be notified every time that I drop a new crypto investing review or tutorial. Now, of course, guys, I want you guys to go ahead and get into the game plan to 100 grand group. This is where I'm going to drop more information about this project. If you want to check that out, then you can do that. Also, if you want to check it out for yourself, you can check the description, and where I will have the links to my group and the links to this project right here. So, guys, I look forward to seeing you inside the group. Let's jump right into this. I want to introduce to some and maybe present to others this incredible program that I just learned about. Now, I say incredible because I like the concept, and the name of it is Agros. Now, it's Agros. It's agros.au is the actual website address. Of course, the link is in the description for you to check this out for yourself. Now, this is based out of Turkey, right? Now, this is an agribusiness company, right? It is a company that is using agriculture in several different ways, as they say here, in the embrace of nature. In the land of the eternal summer, discover the world of caring for the land. Sow your agricultural dreams on the fertile soil and harvest a future filled with happiness. That's a different type of approach there. Now, this is a good video right here. If you guys come in and watch this video on the homepage up there, it's a pretty appealing video, which is a lot of their social media stuff is really appealing. It shows that it's a real company from what I could see, that it's a real company doing in real things. So let's just talk about what they say, who they say they are, right? So we have Agros is an independent and one of the largest offshoots of a large-scale Australian fund with authorized capital of 250 million. We operate in Turkey, which allows us to use year-round yields, our own technologies, including artificial intelligence, as well as the extensive experience of the company's management and employees to generate high income, thanks to a rational and methodical approach using unique formulas and modern tools, right? So this is the thing about the company. Now, I'm not going to bore you guys with all of this stuff. You can read through everything in here, but here are some of the people in here. It's Rodriguez Federera. I'm not good at rolling my R, so if I pronounce that wrong, you know that's why. We have Gabrielle Hardigan, Wee Hung, Eric Williams, Robert Boney, William Schofield. Now, I want to tell you guys right now, you know, I'm going to go a little bit deeper with this and try to get Zoom meetings with some of the leadership of the company and different things like that as we continue to grow, as I get deeper into this, so I can get familiar with the leadership. But I haven't done that as of yet, so I just want to let you guys know that up front. But I am going to look forward to meeting them and doing all that type of stuff. Now, here is the CEO. Now, I did go in and look to see who the CEO was, and it shows him here. Now, I did a little research to make sure, because they said he's an experienced businessman with more than 20 years of productive and highly successful work in the agricultural sector in Turkey and beyond. Now, I didn't do a deep search, but from my initial search, I did find him on this website here. Now, this information is from a Turkish website, so it's not in English. But there is a way to go ahead and translate this into English. It was on my website, on my screen. Let me refresh it really quick and see if it comes back. Oh, here it is. So you could go and you can translate this into English. You see some of his work experience that are listed here. This is like his resume. So this is available here, which goes back quite a ways. So it's good to see that he has some collateral out there in the world that we live in today. It's hard to have a person that doesn't have any footprint, right? So it's good that there is some information on him out there. Once again, I have not did a deep dive into this information, but I did go ahead and look and see that he was available there. Now here are some of the Advantages here: year-round yield of the Turkish agricultural sector. So if you want to get year-round yields, that's a good thing. Extensive product supply and distribution, key agreements with representatives of the agricultural sector and farmers, and the latest technologies and artificial intelligence. So here's some of the things it's talking about. I'm not going to go into that. I know one of the things you guys want to know is, hey, look, Anthony, is this a good opportunity? What is the likelihood of the profitability, all that type of stuff, and I want to share that with you. Okay, so I'm going to go in and talk and let you guys see this. This is from ASIC, right? ASIC, this is the company extract. Is the name is Hedge Fund Agros Pty Ltd. And you see that their number here. And you see that this was established on August the 10th, 2023. So this has just been around since August. So we are early in on this. You can actually go in and look at the information here. The people that were on the Gabrielle or Gabriella Hardigan, she's on as a director and as the secretary. She's the one, I believe, that went and filed this. And then the company members are shown as the people that are on the actual document. So this is good. On this document and on the website and on the presentation documents is the same people. So that's a good thing, I believe, that it shows that they are listed and their information, their addresses and things like that are listed right here on the company documents. Okay. Now, some people may be wondering, Anthony, is that an official company document? What I did is I went to the ASIC website myself because I wanted to research that. And I did see that this information was listed right here on the ASIC website and is for anyone to see. You can actually view a summary of the PDF right here. If you click on this, if you go to the ASIC website, it said it is download it. So you see that this is the information that's listed right here, that it is a registered company, right? So this is when they apply for it. This is the information from ASIC here. And you got to purchase other information. So, but I'm just showing that it was officially listed here. Now, the other thing, they have another, this is the company registration information here. You see that, the certificate. Then I went as far as to look at the website. So the website, you see that this was registered on August 30th of 2023. It is registered by Hedge Fund Agros Pty Ltd. The name JD is what's coming up on that, but it's open. It's not private here. So you can see that it is that this is who registered this. So that's a good thing. That it's not foolproof, but it's a good thing that stuff is here, right? So I just wanted to show you guys some of the research that I had did on this. Now let's go in and look at the company, right? Because I know that's what you guys really want to see about how the company is paying and different things that are going on. So let me go and let's look at this, okay? So here's the company's presentation, which is a well put together presentation as well. And they're talking about the future agros business. But let's go down to the things that you guys are going to be really interested in, the business model, how it pays, and all that type of stuff, right? So I'll do a presentation showing more in depth on how the profits are derived and things later on, but I just want to do this initial review really quick just to give you guys an overall sense of how this thing profits. So you can start as little as $50 as your initial investment. Your weekly profit on this would be 3.6% per week. Monthly profit would be 15.83%, which is not bad. And the yearly profit would be 190%, right? Then you can move up to basic. Basic is at $250. So if you have a little more, you're going to get 3.8%. That's 16.75% per month, and that's 201% per year. So I'm not going to go through each and every one of these, but there's several different investment slots. What they call these are slots, debt slots. I mean, not investment. Let me correct that. Debt slots is what they call these, and I'll explain how these debt slots work. I just want to go over all of them really quick. You're gonna this goes all the way up to, if you do $100,000 debt slot, which you're going to make 6.2% per week off of this. Monthly profit is 26.91%. Your yearly profit is 323%, which is really, really good there as far as this. So you have all of the things graduated in between. But let's go back and let's look at what they say about the debt slots. Debt slot is a formal agreement between private partners and an Australian business funding company. Under this agreement, the company accepts your funds at one of the offered rates and then allocates them to the development of the business. The full amount of the slot purchase is repaid in installments over a 12-month period. The weekly payments include partial repayment of the slot purchase amount and interest on repayable financial assistance according to the selected rate, right? Now, the slot revenue is accrued every Friday. So you're going to accrue your profits every single Friday. During the 7 days, the accrued amount remains on the frozen account. At the end of this period, you can create a withdrawal request. So you can withdraw at the end of the 7-day period, you can withdraw it. The fulfillment of a withdrawal takes place within 24 hours. So they will pay your withdrawals within 24 hours. The financial holiday is from 12/15 to January 15th, 2024. During this period, no accruals of debt slots will be processed. So keep that in mind. From that, they have a holiday period from December to January 15th. They're letting you know that already up front. All right. Now, here are some examples of debt slot calculations. We'll go over this really quick here. Let's say if you're in the basic, which is $250, your profit for the week would be 3.8%, which would be about $9.07. The per month would be $41.80, and per year would be $502.05. Accruals will be every Friday, right? Now, as you can see, the higher amounts that you have here, if you're at the pro, that's 50,000, and you're going to get 6% per week. That means that you're going to get $3,000 per week. That's pretty sweet right there, right? $3,000 per week, and then 13,000 per month, and 156,500 per year. And this is accrued every Friday, right? Now, how to capitalize on Agros revenue opportunities. What you're going to do is register. So you're going to register your account, get the registration link from the person who recommended you to the company. You can find mine in the description of this video. You can choose a debt slot pay using your preferred payment method. So they have several different payment methods that you can use. I'll show this at the end of the video as well. And you can get passive income accrual profit every Friday. So it's very simple, right? You're going to get paid every Friday once you start with this. Now, keep in mind, guys, from the 15th to January 15th is their holiday period. So if you're looking to get profits right up front, just remember you're going to get some right up front, but from the 15th to the January 15th, you won't get any accrual of profit. But after that, the profits will start again. Okay. Now, let's go and let's talk about the affiliate program, because some of you all are going to be referring and sharing this with other people. I'm just going to do a basic of the affiliate program. The affiliate program is 7 different bonuses. You get a sales bonus where it's up to 20% of the entire team. You get a rank bonus that's up to $5 million according to your rank. An office bonus, which we've seen that before. Office bonus, which is 1% of sales in your office. You get a speaker bonus, which is 2% post-event sales. So if they have you host an event, whether it's virtual, webinar, anything like that, they do have a speaker bonus that you can participate in. Then there's auto bonus. The auto bonus is up to 5% turnover is saved up for a car purchase. So they break this out in the presentation on how they save up for a car purchase. Now, they do require you to wrap the car in their logo and that type of thing. So that's one of the things that is required for that auto bonus. There's a leader bonus for the top 3 in personal sales, which you get a bonus for that. And then there's a promo bonus, those different promos that they're going to run throughout the year that you can participate in. Now, you see where the sales bonus depends on your rank. So what you're going to get paid up front is going to depend on your rank that you start with. Everybody starts at partner. At partner, you're going to get 7%. So when someone enrolls, let's say they start with $1,000, you get 7% of that, which means you would get $70 up front when someone enrolls with $1,000. Now, that is going to go up depending on the rank you get. Once you get to bronze, it's 9%, and that's graduated all the way up to 20% as you become a triple diamond director. All right. Now, they have some examples. I'm not going to go through all these examples here. I just wanted to give you guys that. But let's talk about the rank requirements here. So here are the rank requirements. So with this, you just need to have a personal slot at partner. You just need to start with at least $50. You're going to get paid 7% bonus up front. Now, once you hit bronze, when you hit that level, you're going to get a $100 rank bonus. You need to have a $50 personal debt slot, and you need to have 3,000 turnover in your team, which is $3,000 of volume in your team. Silver is going to be $1,000 bonus. You see these bonuses go up to $1 million. I won't go over all of them, but at triple diamond, this is a $5 million bonus. Now, you will need personally to have debt slots that equal up to $250,000, and your rank turnover is going to be $100 million. So this is a serious thing. You have to have $100 million of qualified team volume. And then you will reach that. And then you have to have 2 double diamond directors in your organization, but then you get a $5 million bonus. That is a serious bonus, one of the highest ones that I've seen, right? And then it shows you how the rank turnover is calculated. And by the way, you have access to this document in the back office once you sign up. All you have to do is go to branding and then the presentations, and you'll be able to get this document as well. But then it breaks out all the other bonuses that you could get paid also. So I wanted to make sure that you guys were aware of all of this. And so that is what I wanted to show you guys on that. So let's see what else. So that's the affiliate program. You see that this program has some good things going. It's a little bit different than a lot of the other programs that we have participated in, but it has some good components, some things that I want to test out. I love that it's a minimum capital risk, which is $50 to get started. If you want to start with 50, 100, 250, whatever, you could do that to check it out, see how it works for you, see if you really like it, see if it's something that could be a play for you in this space. As always, we're going to only use risk capital, which means that we're going to only put in what we can afford to lose. But we're shooting for the opportunity to win, right, with these platforms. So if you like this platform, just let me know. Drop me a comment. Tell me if you like the platform. If you don't like the platform, that's cool. It's not everything. It's not for everybody, and everybody is not for everything. All right. But I'm going to check this out, see where it goes, see if we can build something with this. As we continue to build a team, you know how I do it. I'll start doing presentations. Once we start building a team and things start going even better, we'll do some presentations. We'll get we'll rally up around this once it looks like it's really going to be a long-term play for us as well, guys. So let's do that, right? So until the next video, you know what we're going to do, guys. We're going to invest wisely. We're going to invest well. We will only invest what we're willing to lose, but we're investing for the opportunity to win. Until that next video, I hope you guys have an absolutely phenomenal day, and I am out. Peace.